object, just any object from the audience. Bicycle? Okay, so in this game, we're going to have the veterans. And each duo of the veterans is going to be a different channel. Andrew Wyatt, channel 2.
National Geographic.
And Sophia and Chelsea.
Reality TV.
Mary Claire and Kelsey.
The Hallmark Channel.
All right, and they're going to have to include a bicycle in their scene. Channel 2.
Welcome to the wild deserts of New Mexico, where the sprawling chicken flutters its wings and searches for prey. Here it's our natural screech. It's beautiful, and its musical tone rings out.
All right, girls, here we are. We're going to go over the pyramid today. Last week's group did a bicycle number, and so we're going to start at the bottom here. Olivia. No! You did a horrible job this weekend, and you messed up the whole routine.
No, but you don't get it.
You fell off the bicycle.
No, but it was like, I can't ride one.
Channel 4.
Now that I've moved out of the big city and into a small town, I'm going to do all those things I've always dreamed of. Honk, honk. Whoa, get out of my way! Whoa, I could run over with my bicycle. Wait, is that Sandra? I'm Jonathan. I didn't see you since you moved away to the big city. I've always been a small town girl at heart. I used to be living in a lonely world. This was my Channel 3! Channel 3!
Ken,
What, Kylie?
I'm so glad you just ended it with Kanye.
Yeah, he wanted me to start a bicycle business, and I said, Kanye, that is the dumbest idea I've ever heard.
Red flag.
Exactly.
How's my butt
It roams the desert in search of prey, but it is very slow and needs a new mode of transportation. Luckily, it finds in the wild desert a bicycle. Now, it is evolved into a stronger creature. It moves faster and more quickly through the desert.
Now, Olivia, this week's routine is also about a bicycle.
Oh no!
So to help prepare you, I've signed you up for bicycle classes, taught by me, of course. Get on the bicycle! Pedal! 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 Go! Olivia! Yes, go! Keep going! I'm gonna fall! No! Olivia!
Jonathan, ever since leaving my job as a corporate lawyer, I've realized some things in life are more important than work and work.
You know what? This Christmas season, now that we're back to visiting, let's make it a holiday to remember. All those Christmas activities we never got to do growing up.
Like making snow globes from scratch.
Oh, look, it's you and me. Like living a life we always dreamed about.